If you have ever looked professional Excel dashboard and wondered how exactly this been built, okay, then this video series is for you. In upcoming modules, now you can see how we can build that completely from scratch. Here we are taking the example of sales dashboard. Also, we have identified the KPIs, how we can identify the KPIs, what is the meaning of KPIs, how to design it, and how to refine our dashboard if it is not meeting to the goal. Whether you are a student, job seeker, or working professional, this tutorial will really help you to understand how to identify KPIs, how to design your dashboard, and how to get the insights out of it. This particular tutorial I have structured in 5 parts. So in your convenience, you can simply skip it and check the appropriate part basis your need. If in case you are starting from basics, okay, then I would recommend don't skip in between, because we are also providing the source where you will get the data. So to practice along with us. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create an intuitive dashboard and add one skill in your portfolio for sure. So without further ado, let's quickly jump on the screen.